that has transcended sports and become a shared human experience. But of course, sport is at its heart. This is the world's sport, and this is its ultimate game. On the same day 2 years ago, Spain were crowned champions of Europe, Argentina lifted the Copa America, each the king of their continent, now to lay claim to the global crown. Once famously a babe in Lionel Messi's arms, today a glittering aspirant following the great growling Azteca. Here comes the grand climax.
These players should know that they may never come this way again. You do not want to waste the opportunity. You want to give your very best.
The day on which they tripped that their flags would be unfurled. The sense of occasion here is reach out and touch to meet the occasion with the match. The final match, La Roja, La Albiceleste. Spain in search of their second star. A team so complete, the epitome of sporting balance and poise, deliberate yet decorated with dash and flair. There appears no weakness. Argentina, the reigning champions, 1,309 days since they embraced the trophy at Lusail, Qatar. They have put their title on the line and can become today the first nation in 64 years successfully to defend the World Cup. Ferociously passionate, unbreakably bonded, and whatever the circumstances, seemingly never beaten. As all else fails, theirs is the elixir that is Lionel Messi. The trophy, 18 gold, 14.5 inches high, 13.6 pounds in weight. It is everything. Two of the most...
Please rise if you are able for the national anthem of Spain, performed by Spanish Brass.
Favor de ponerse de pie para escuchar el himno nacional de España.
Well, as soon as Jamal gets the ball, there's three shirts going towards him, and that frees up a little bit of space just behind with Jamal. Sprints into. Got a good fortune there for Argentina.
Oh, Rodrigo, the ball is going to get away. Rodri. Yamal. Very important block by the center line to perfection.
Yeah, I think he was right out to goal. He started way out of goal. Clearly something they've been talking about. It's happened a few times in this tournament.
Gets away, shaped nervously by Martinez for a Spanish corner.
Yeah, defending at times for Argentina has been nervous. It's encouraging. Side anyway, the Spain defenders thought so.
Porro Something for Yamal to pursue. Oh, it's a beautiful first touch. That is gorgeous. And he's worrying Tagliafico in by Lamal and wrapped up by Emi Martinez.
Yeah, Argentina have avoided this kind of 1v1.
Ball had no way through. Gonzalez pushed him around. It's Wembenyama of the San Antonio Spurs, who were beaten, of course, way back at the start of the World Cup by the New York Knicks for the NBA title. Minutes. And Alvarez is on his way here, and again, all I see was has read it immaculately.
It's a great effort from Martinez in the Argentina goal.
Is over.
There's a bit of a archy-barchy down there. I think maybe Sweden was involved. One team tried to win this football match. The question is Argentina just facing, even when he was 11 there, it was nice to see it out. You think, well, what's the game plan? Try and get to penalties? Because still no effort on goal, quite incredible until very end of this match.
And so, seemingly, having walked away from his final peak in Qatar 4 years ago, Lionel Messi, into his 40th year, comes up this time just short. And these Spanish fans can embrace a truly fabulous team. The team's incomplete. Messi and Argentina's expense. Concocted this idyllic, smooth Spanish blend of sturdiness and stardust. He has just scored the winning goal in the World Cup final. Spain have beaten Argentina by 1-0.
Champions of Europe are here. RUH is back. The world is watching. Spain is ready. Champions of Europe ready once again. Chasing the glory, chasing the world. Strong and defense, fearless in attack. When Spain moves forward, there's no looking back. The future is bright, the moment is near. La Roja is coming, the whole world can hear.